Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing the lesson multiples and factors. In today's class we are going to discuss about the highest common factor, HCF of the numbers by prime factorization method. Okay, see here dear students, here you have so many methods, means tree method, factor tree method, and one more here division method, long division method, and also by a prime factorization method. So in your practice time they given find the HCF of the following using prime factorization method, means you have to use only here prime numbers to find the HCF. You have found the answer for LCM also, isn't it? So here all methods are same, but little bit changes is there that you have to observe properly. So here I will take one example from your my practice time for you, and that is 24 and 76. 24 and 76. Here I am following prime factorization method. Dear students, already you know what are these prime numbers. Prime number means a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They all are prime numbers. When you are finding the HCF of the number by prime factorization method, you must and should use prime numbers. So here I will take this example and I will go with 2 because 24 and 76. See here 1 plus 4 and 6 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. So take here 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Next here 2 ones are not 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 1 remain, 2 eights are 16. Dear students, if you not understand this, then divide the number like this. 2 threes are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, and you take 6 down. Again here 2 eights are 16, 0, 0. So that number I wrote here. If you are getting confusion, you divide separately and the quotient you write here. So here 12 and 38 is there. Again this number is divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, and 2 9s are 18. If you are getting confusion how to divide this number, then take here 38 and divide with 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Again you take this 8 down, 2 9s are 18, 0, 0. That 19 I wrote here. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. So next step here, see 6 and 19 are there in same table? No. So stop it here only, and next you have to take this number. So what will come here? 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. Therefore HCF of 24 and 76 is 4. Okay, see here. When you are solving LCM examples, no, you have to divide the number until you will not get a 1 as an answer. Means you are taking again here 2 3s are, 3 1s are, 19 1s are, that all you are taking. But here, see here there is no need to divide the number until you will get 1 as the answer. So here if the same table numbers are not there in same table, stop it and only you take this number. Okay, clear? Next I will take one more example, 45 and 75. Dear students, in 1's place 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. So take here 5 and here 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. So take here 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, and again you take here 2, 5 5s are 25. So 9 and 15 is there. Again you take here 3, 3 3s are 9, and here 3 5s are 15. Yes, 9 and 15 are there in again in same table. So take here 9 and 15. 5 9s are 45, 5 15s are 75. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So 3 and 5 are not there in same table. So stop it here only. Next you take here 5 into 3 is 15. So the HCF of 45 and 75 is 15. I hope you are getting my point. Next I will take here one more example from your my practice time for you, and that is 1000. Next is 625, and one more is 375. Dear students, if the number is there in ones place, then that number is divisible by 5. See here in ones place 0, 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. So take here 5 2s are 10, 0, 0. 5 2s are 10, that zeros you keep. Next 5 1s are 5, 1 remain. 5 2s are 10, again here 2 remain, 5 5s are 25. Again you take here 5 7s are 35, again here 2 remain, 5 5s are 25. If you are getting confusion, divide the numbers separately and write that. Okay. Next again I will divide with 5. 5 4s are 20, this 0 as it is, and here 5 2s are 10, and here 2 5 5s are 25. Next here 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again you take here 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25. Next here 5 3s are 15. Next you see here 8 5 3 are not there in same table, so you have to take this number. Take here 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Don't write here 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. No, it's completely wrong. You have to multiply this. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. I hope you are getting my point. See here the procedure is same when you have a 2 digit or when you have a 2 digit. Okay. Just you have to check whether the number is there in which table. For that you need to know tables as well. You must and should know tables. Is it clear? Dear students, here they given 6 examples, and here I have solved 3 examples. 3 you do as a homework. So dear students, in your my practice time for you, again here find the HCF by long division method is there. What is there? Long division method. Okay, long division method. So how to solve this example? Just see, long division method. Long division method. Division method. Okay. So here highest common factor you have to find by long division method. So I will take one simple example here, 20 and 24. Among this, which one is the greater number here? 24, and smallest number is 20. You divide this 24 with 20. So divide this number right here 24, and here you write 20. Okay. So 20 1s are 20. 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you take here this 20. Okay, here, see here, I divided. Here big number you write inside and small number you write outside. Again see here 20 1s are 20. Okay, 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. But here I got remainder as a 4. Again you take this 20 and write here. This divisor you write here as a dividend. Okay, next here you take 4, how much is 20? 4 5s are 20. Okay, 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. You have to divide the number until you will not get 0 as a remainder. Then tell me, among this what is the HCF of the number? The HCF of the number is 4. See here, where I got remainder as a 0, that divisor we are calling what? Quotient of the HCF of the number. So here 4 is the HCF. Okay, dear students, I will take one more example from your my practice time for you, and that is 90 and 110. 90 and 110. Then among this, just see which one is the greater number. Here you see 90 here you write 90 and here you write 110. Okay, so here then I will divide this number. 90 ones are 90. 110 minus 90 is 20. Okay, here I have to stop? No, again you have to take this divisor. Here you take 90. 20, how much are 90? Not there, so the smallest number is 4. 24 is 80. 0, 9 minus 8 is 1. Again you take here 20. 10 2s are 20. 0, 0. Therefore, here 10. HCF of the number is HCF of 90 and 110 is, that is 10. Okay, I have to write this 10. Where you got remainder as a 0, that divisor we are calling the HCF of the number. Okay, next I will take one more example. I will take here 104 and 240. 104 and 240. Okay, let's take one more example. 104 and 240. Okay, so divide here. 104 you write outside and here you write 240. Okay, so here 104 ones are 104. Okay, so 0 minus 4 not possible. Take care, it becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here see 104 2s are, how much will come here? 104 2s are 2 4s are 8. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 1s are 2. So I can take 104 2s are. Okay, so here 240 and here you write 104. 2s are, how much? See here 208. So write here 208. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you write here 104. Then just check it out. 32 3s are. 32 2s are, how much is there? 32 3s are. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. I got here small number. 32 4s are, how much will come? 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So 128. So I will take here 32 3s are 96. 32 3s are 96. I can't take here 4s are because it is 128. Next here 4 minus 6 not possible. Take carry, it becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Again you take carry, it becomes 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again you take here 32. 8, how much are 32? 8 4s are 32. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then tell me what is the HCF of 104 and 240? The HCF of 104 and 240 is 8 because I got here remainder as a 0. Okay, let us take one more example from my practice time 5. I will take here 119 and 136. So let us divide this number. I will write here 136 and 119. See here, if I will take 119 2s are, it will come bigger number. So I will take here 119 1s are 119. 6 minus not possible. Take carry. 16 minus 9 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again you take here 119. Okay. So 17, how much are? 17 7s are. And 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 17 7s are 119. 0, 0, 0. Okay, so here what is the HCF of the number here? The HCF of the number is 17 because I got here remainder as a 0. I hope you are getting my point. Dear students, for this you need more practice. If you are practicing regularly, then only it becomes easy. Okay, so here dear students, my practice time for you is there. There they given 6 and 8 examples. Among them I have solved 3 to 4 examples. Remaining you do as a homework. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.